Here we see bobbin choices for the Chinese shoe patcher sewing machine. Your patcher comes with 3 bobbins, 2 bobbin cases, and 2 bobbin case carriers. These all look very rough and they have to have a lot of sanding. The bobbin carrier has 2 holes on top. I did some research and found a similar bobbin case made for the Singer 29K Clsp machine. It's a shuttle hook 8603 with small bobbins for the 29K 71. This bobbin case or shuttle hook is smaller than the one that comes with the machine and only has 1 hole on top. Here you see the Singer shuttle carrier on the left. On the right is the one that originally comes with the machine. This has 2 holes. The Singer has 1 hole on top. The Singer is on the left along with its bobbin. They look nice and clean and neat and smooth, whereas the one that comes with the machine looks very rough, and it's on the right side and it has 2 holes on top. Here you see that the bobbin that comes with the machine will not fit into the Singer bobbin carrier. It is too big. Now the Singer bobbin is smaller and it will fit into the original bobbin carrier, but you see that it is much smaller than the original bobbin and really does not give you a good fit, so I would not recommend this combination. Next we see how the Singer bobbin carrier or the shuttle hook picks up the thread, loops it around, it goes underneath the shuttle hook and then is released and makes a loop with the top thread. It grabs the thread that's in a bobbin case. Now I am using the Singer bobbin and bobbin case in the machine and sewing. It gives you pretty good results and it does pick up the threads, but there is 1 or 2 that it didn't pick up, and part of that has to do with the tension adjustment. Once you get it proper, then it will work and you won't have any dropped stitches. If you have dropped stitches, you don't want to use that for any kind of commercial work or stuff that you're going to sell. So you want to make sure everything works properly and they have all the tension set properly when you're sewing. I'm using a Tex 69 thread in the machine with a number 20 needle. You can see that there is a dropped stitch and it does not usually affect the strength, but you want to have it perfect, and once you have your tension set right, which I had to adjust the lower tension to get it fixed and to pick up the thread properly. I'm going to have more videos on the Chinese shoe patching machine and some of the changes that I have made to it to make it sew better and more efficiently, and also decrease the noise. When I first got it, it was very, very rough looking, and a lot of adjustments had to be made. Just make sure that if you use the original bobbin and the bobbin carrier or the shuttle hook, that you sand it on all edges and get it nice and smooth first. This will prevent fraying of your thread and breakage. Here you see how strong it is with the 69 thread. I would not go higher on a thread number. 135 can work, but it does sometimes snag.